Well, took the old Duramax to get some lunch. ABS light came on, and well, let's see if we can get a good view of this. Focus. Yeah, almost lost a tire. Let's pull this apart and see what else we find here. All right, got this guy off is what we're going to be replacing. Bearings inside. In here, toast. 4 bolts. 15s, I do believe. And then the brakes here. This caliper's hanging. 21s, I think, something like that. But not terribly hard. I did have to get the air hammer out to separate it, so I will be putting some anti-seize when I put it back together, but we're going to be going and grabbing one of those. And we've got the shield painted, knuckle all painted, new wheel bearing, whole assembly, new ABS wire, might as well. Put some anti-seize here. NICs here, you know, all the way around that. Put on the bolts because they were fairly rusted, but I just used a wire brush and drill. Cleaned it all up while I was in there, but we'll get it all bolted back together. Okay, I got the new hub assembly on. Got these bolts in, a little bit of anti-seize on them. Torque is 177 foot-pounds. Got the new ABS wire all ran up and clipped on back here and re-clipped right there. And yeah, we'll get the wheel put on and do the other side.